A circular coil with cross-sectional area of 0.1 centimeter square is kept in a uniform magnetic field of strength 0.2 Tesla. If the current passing in the coil is 3 ampere and the plane of the loop is perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field, calculate the total force of the coil. Total torque of the coil. Average force on each electron in the coil due to the magnetic field of the free electron density for the material of the wire is 10 raised to 28 per meter cube. Now what are the things given here is the area of the circular coil is given, that is 0.1 centimeter square, that is 0.1 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square, and the magnetic field is given as 0.2 Tesla, and the current passing through the magnetic field is 3 ampere. Now we have to find out the total torque on the coil. So to find the total torque on the coil, tau is equal to NBA sin theta. Now theta is the angle between the normal drawn to the plane of the coil and the direction of magnetic field. But in a problem, the plane of the loop is perpendicular to the direction of the magnetic field. So there is a difference. Plane of the loop is perpendicular to magnetic field, but theta is the normal drawn to the plane of the loop and the direction of magnetic field. So plane of the loop is perpendicular, means theta is 90 degree to the magnetic field. Okay, in this case, the angle between the normal and the direction of the magnetic field is theta is equal to 0 degrees. Okay, so tau is equal to NBA sin 0. So what is sin 0 is 0. Okay, so tau is equal to what? 0. Now the second part is force average force of the coil, that is total force of the coil. So total force of the coil is given by the formula F is equal to BQV sin theta. Here also theta is equal to what? 0. So to BQV sin 0. So the force is also what? 0. Okay. Now the third point is we have to find out the average force of each electron in the coil due to the magnetic field of free electron density for the material of the wire is 10 raised to 28 per meter cube. Okay. So we have to find it out the average force. Now in this case the charge density is given. Charge density is given as sigma is equal to 10 raised to 28 per meter cube. Okay. So this is the value of the sigma. Okay. Now you can find it out the charge. So charge is equal to sigma into area. So it is 10 raised to 28 into 0.1 into 10 raised to minus 4. So what will you get here? 10 raised to 23. You will get it as 10 raised to 23 coulomb. This is your charge, you will get it. Now what is the force? Force is equal to correct.